Hey, it's Asina here, your vitality wellness strategist, and I wanted to just take some time to share with you my little snack here before I finish because it is oh so good, and I thought this video would help any of you who is just trying to find something that is delicious and nutritious. So here we go. We have some Greek yogurt. I've already prepared some bananas, cut bananas inside with some shelled hemp seeds. And I think I will need a little bit more shelled hemp seeds in here. I love the shelled hemp seeds and Greek yogurt, plain. You can use vanilla if you'd like, but that usually has more added sugars and other nonsense that you don't really want in it. So the Greek yogurt, you can put any sort of fruit and berries in there. I like to put some cut bananas with as well some cut pears and or apples. You can also add as another dip some nut butter. Today I'm using some organic peanut butter, and what you can do is just have the apples or pears or whatever fruit you're using, dip it in the peanut butter or whatever nut butter you decide and enjoy. You can also enjoy that with your yogurt, hemp seeds, and bananas. So you can either dip your fruit in the nut butter, or you can also dip it in the yogurt and hemp seeds, which is oh so good. So what I want you to take from this, so good. What I want you to take from this is that you can put together anything that you can think of that is high in protein, add something to it, and always have your fruits. So there's protein, there's some antioxidants, and there is some healthy fats as well. So combining all that together, it's not only nutritious and delicious, but nutrient dense, and it is quite filling. So you can have this as a small meal or even a snack in between meals. If you have any of your favorites, please share it in the comments. I'd love to try, or let me know if you've tried this and if you like it or not. And most likely you will. I know there's eating videos out there. It's kind of weird. Not weird, but strange just watching other people eat. And here I am. So if you're watching me eat, okay. Love to have your company. I like to take big bites, be a little bit messy. Can always double dip. I mean, if this is only for you, you're the only one eating it, right? So you can dip it in the nut butter, dip it in the yogurt. Boom. Pears are really high in water too, so if you're not having enough water content, you can always consider having some fruit that is also high in water, such as pears. And they're quite sweet, which is nice. Not just bland. Gotta get some flavor. Savor the flavor, you know? So before work or wherever you're going, can just cut up some fruit in a container. You can, I usually just put the yogurt in a small container, add the hemp seeds and the bananas later on. But you can do whatever you want. You can put it all together beforehand and enjoy it when you can. Cheers. I say, if there's people out there who can watch someone eat a huge bowl of, I don't know, noodles or pizza or something very disturbing in my eyes anyways, why not watch somebody eat something that's healthy and nutritious, right? So I appreciate you. Watching me be messy and enjoying my fruit. Enjoying my fruit. Mm-mm-mm. See, it's quite filling and you don't even need much. And your cells are being happy, not being overloaded, overburdened with processed garbage. Yum. So let me know if you'll try this, or if you have tried this, or whatever is your go-to snack. And perhaps I'll try it out myself and let you know. Now this was finger licking good. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. All right, done.